Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigy, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 7. Let's take a look at the question right now. It says 60 boys and 65 girls took part in a competition. Prizes were awarded to 15% of the boys and 35 girls. What percentage of the competitors were not prize winners? Very simple. First off, again, we have to draw a little table. Makes our life so much easier. So boys here and girls here. Okay, how many boys were there? There were 65. How many girls were there? There were 60. Okay, oops, sorry. 65 girls and 60 boys. Okay, and then the question says that prizes were awarded to 15% of the boys and 35 girls. So let me just write this down. Awarded prizes. So prizes here. How many percent? 16. 15%, I think. 15% of the boys. And how many girls? 35 girls. Now the question then says that what percentage of the competitors, that means of a total number of people, were not prize winners? So they're asking for non-prize winners, so NP. So how many percent of the boys did not win a prize? The answer would be 85%. And how many girls would not have won prizes? The answer would be 65 minus 35, which gives you the answer of 30. Oh, by the way, how do I get 85%? 100% minus 15%, okay? So now, our first job is to figure out how many of the boys did not win a prize. So in that case, very simple, let's figure it out. 85%, which means 85 over 100 times 60, is going to give you that answer. Cancel the 0 here, cancel the 0 here. 85 times 6 divided by 10. So 85 times 6 divided by 10, you get 51. So how many boys did not get a prize? The answer is 51. Okay, 51 and 30 were non-prize winners. So how do I find the percentage? That means it's the non-prize winners, so non-prize winners over total, which is boys and girls. So then after that we times it by 100% to get the percentage. Okay, so 30 plus 51 gives you 81. Total number of boys and girls is 125. 60 plus 65 times 100%. Okay, and then you should be able to get the answer already. Very simple. 81 divided by 125 gives you the answer of 0.648. You times 100%, you get 64.8%. And bam, that is the answer, just like that. If you got that one right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. All right. And so that's it. Like I said, once you get the basics right, it's very simple from there here on up. Okay. So the quote of the week is trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. Okay. Now there is a little. I want to share with you a little study that they did, and they said that experts, people who were really good at what they did, always spent 10,000 hours on it before becoming absolutely amazing at it. Okay, which means they are a master of it. 10,000 hours. Now let's figure out how many hours you spend in school daily. You go to school at 7 o'clock maybe, and you come back maybe at 3, 4. So how many hours is that? 7 to 12, use 5 hours. And then maybe to 3 o'clock, that's 8 hours. Okay, let's make it 8 hours. 8 hours per day. How many weeks do you have in a month? You have 12 times 4, okay, 48. Okay, not counting the what's that called? Not counting your holidays. Let's make it 1 month plus lah, right? So let's make it 48 minus maybe 5-6 weeks. Okay, yes, 40 weeks lah, 40 weeks. Make it very simple. So that means in 8 hours, okay, per day, times 5 days, times 40 weeks. That's already 1,600 hours. You times 5 to that, because that's your primary 5 right now, times 5 years, you already have 8,000 hours spent in school. And that's not to count, we haven't even counted the number of hours you spend at home studying or at tuition as well. So most probably you've already hit 10,000 hours and you are great at what you do. You just have to unlock that door by using this key called trust. Okay? When you trust yourself, when you believe in yourself, trust me, you will know more than you think you do. You really do. So with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you trust yourself, and because you are a math prodigy. Good job.